In today's episode, we will take a look at the scaling solutions using block propagation technologies. Also, we'll get a better understanding of Dash Core Group CEO's Ryan Taylor and his views on governance models and the example being set by Dash. And also, there has been a hugely popular travel website that now is accepting cryptocurrencies, including Dash. There's a whole lot more where that's coming from, so don't go anywhere. Hello and welcome to the Dash News Recap. My name is Heidi and this video is dedicated to keeping you up to date on all of the recent Dash News highlights. Links to all of the news stories can be found down below, so let's get started. As always, it has been a very productive couple of weeks for Dash, and I'm very happy to be able to share these new and important developments with you all. So let's take a look at what's been happening in the world of Dash recently. Dash has been eyeing block propagation techniques from Bitcoin scaling. The ability of all nodes on the network to efficiently receive and view a block full of transactions, or block propagation, is a major bottleneck for cryptocurrency scaling. Previous research from Arizona State University has shown that Dash can currently scale to handle 10 megabyte blocks, which is equivalent to 40 megabyte blocks on the Bitcoin network, due to Dash's faster block times and also equivalent to over half that which PayPal currently processes. However, Ryan Taylor, CEO of Dash Core Group, has said in a recent interview that they are looking into borrowing from Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash scaling research to improve Dash's efficiencies. On the Abra Money 3.0 podcast, Dash Core CEO Ryan Taylor has said that Dash has been committed with backporting Bitcoin's codebase improvements while not including updates such as replace by fee and Segwit. The reasons that these are not included is because Dash solves transaction speed and scaling issues through other methods that make these updates unnecessary. If you thought those developments were impressive, keep on watching because you know we have so much more Dash news to celebrate. So let's take a look at some of the new services and platforms that have begun to integrate Dash. Travala has been a travel site and proponent of cryptocurrency adoption by accepting a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, including Dash, and has recently partnered with the mainstream travel website Booking.com. The partnership will enable potential travelers wanting to pay with cryptocurrency to get access to Booking.com's 28 million reported accommodation listings available across 230 countries and 90,000 destinations worldwide, which is a large increase over Travala's previous 2 million plus accommodation listings. The partnership also adds to the multitude of other travel sites that have been accepting cryptocurrencies, including cheapair.com, Destinia, Exceltrip, Travel by Bit, and Alternative Airlines. PagCripto, Brazilian cryptocurrency exchange and payment processor, integrates Dash. The Brazilian over-the-counter trading desk, full cryptocurrency exchange and merchant service has now integrated Dash and partnered with Dash Dinero Digital to promote Dash in Brazil. The exchange touts its attention to security and its accessibility to new merchants to the space whom sometimes find it the hardest to start accepting cryptocurrency. PagCripto does this via a simple user interface and instantly converting crypto to fiat to make the exchange price risk less severe. Here are a few media highlights that feature Dash. If you haven't checked these out yet, I strongly recommend that you do. Dash Core Group CEO Ryan Taylor appeared on Michael Nye's What is Crypto podcast to discuss how decentralized cryptocurrency governance is often ignored as non-essential until a serious problem occurs. Taylor highlighted that even the absence of governance is governance, and that governance will always be there, so it is best to design it consciously to function the best for the people it serves. So even within crypto, there is always governance, whether it is through a original founders, a group of miners, a group of coders, etc., whereas Dash has structured governance around masternodes. The goal of masternodes is that they number enough to replicate the thoughts of the whole community and are sufficiently economically incentivized to represent the same desires as the wider Dash community. Dash Nigeria head Nathaniel Luz has authored and published a cryptocurrency introduction book, Digital is the Cash, with a foreword by Dash Core CEO Ryan Taylor to educate newcomers to the space. In the book, Luz discusses the background and history of money, modern-day problems with current money, solutions that cryptocurrency provides, how Dash improves upon the other iterations of cryptocurrencies, and other applications for blockchain technology. The book is available for digital purchase on his website via Dash, Amazon Kindle, and hard copy in Nigeria. Joël appeared on the Lions of Liberty podcast hosted by Mark Claire about libertarianism, voluntarism, anarcho-capitalism, and free thought, speaking about his journey to leave fiat currency for sound money like cryptocurrency and eventually living unbanked on Dash. They also discussed how Joël made the switch from living off of Bitcoin to Dash when the Bitcoin transaction fees spiked. This week on the Dash podcast number 133, the guys welcome Kenn Bosak on the podcast to talk about what caused him to leave Bitcoin and move over to Bitcoin Cash, Dash, and other coins. They also discuss how to spend and save cryptocurrencies while dealing with the volatility, stablecoins, tokens, media creation in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, the upcoming Dash platform open house, and more. Make sure to tune in to get these valuable insights. Thank you for watching this episode of the Dash News Recap. Again, links to all of these news stories can be found down below in the video description. I hope that you found this video to be informative, and I look forward to reading your comments down below. Don't forget to press that like button, smash for Dash, and also share and subscribe. It is bye for now, but stay dashy.